Hi everyone, I'm here with your 625 lesson. What can a variable represent? And it says what can a variable represent? In the previous lessons, you have learned how to find the perimeter and area of a shape using algebra tiles. Today, you will challenge the class to find the perimeters and areas of shapes that you create. As you work, keep in mind these questions. Which lengths are constant? Which lengths can change? 6.111. Use the perimeter and area expressions that you found in problem 6.106 to answer the questions below. So we're going to pause right there. We did not do problem 6.106. So the first thing that you need to do for this problem 6.111 is that you need to find the area and perimeter of each shape. So go ahead and pause your video and do that now. If you're back with me, you have found the area and perimeter of each shape. So we have 1, x, 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 1, 1, 1, and x. So remember, our area is just the name of the tiles that we have. So we have x squared plus x plus 1. Our perimeter is what we have on the outside. So once you have simplified it into simplest terms by combining like terms, you should have had 4x plus 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 x's, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. For this middle one here, again, perimeter, when we're labeling x, 1, this side length, remember, overlaps, so it's x minus 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1. So our area, remember, is just the name of the tiles, so we have x plus 1. And our perimeter, once you simplified it, is going to be 2x plus 4. Remember, because we have a minus 1, so once you add all those ones up, you have to subtract 1. Hang on a second. Should be plus 3, I'm sorry. Oh no, I'm sorry. I was right the first time. 2x plus 4. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so let me go back and look at that again. Okay, so going over the perimeter again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones being added, but then we have to subtract 1, so that's where our 4 comes from. I'm sorry about that. I was reading something and then I was looking at something wrong, so I apologize. So again, over here, labeling our sides, x, 1, x, 1. This side length is x minus 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, x, and 1. So when we find the area, it's just the name of the tiles. X squared, we have 2 x's plus 1. And our perimeter, once you combine like terms, is going to be 4x plus 6. So if you got something incorrect there, please just fix your answer, and then you want to use those ones that I have given you for the following two parts, A and B. So A says, determine each perimeter and area if x equals 5. So I'm going to name this shape 1, 2, and 3 up top. So we want to do number 1. We want to find the area and perimeter. So remember, this is like evaluating expressions. So let's start with the area first. I have x squared plus x plus 1. Every time I see an x, I'm substituting in a 5. 5 squared plus 5 plus 1. Now I just need to simplify using order of operations. 5 squared is the same as saying 5 times 5, which is 25, plus 5 plus 1. 25 plus 5 is 30, plus 1 is 31 units squared. for our area. Our perimeter, we have our original, which is 4x plus 4. And every time we see an x, we're substituting in 5. So 4 times 5 plus 4. Now order of operations. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 4. 20 plus 4 is 24 units. And that is my perimeter for shape number 1 when x is 5. So your responsibility now is to finish area and perimeter for shape 2 and shape 3 using x equals 5. When you're done with that, you're going to go down to part B, and you're going to do area and perimeter of each. So 1, 2, and 3, where x equals 2.5. So you will be working with fractions. As always, if you have any questions, please email me. And once you're done, upload a picture to the assignment on Google Classroom. That's the last problem you have to do as well.